Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to make AI video for clothing brand. Now I know you must be thinking using AI to create fashion videos for your brand is kind of gamble, right? But take a look at this video right now. In this video that you're looking at, this is 100% created by AI, and I'll just teach you to do that in just a matter of minutes. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and visit wearview.co. This is where we work. We work really hard to bring you all these features and also all these options to you in the easiest way possible. So please do consider liking this video and also subscribing to our channel. Once you're done that, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, then I would suggest you to create one. It just takes less than 10 seconds. Once that is done, go ahead and click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, what we will do here, click on the AI fashion video. But before that, let's create our model. Let's create our model wearing the dress. That's what I meant. So for that, I'll just click on AI product to model button. I'll just click on it, and now you will have to select the images that you want, or the dress or the clothes that you want your AI to wear. So for this video, I'll just click on the add image button and then choose this flat t-shirt that I have, and along with that I also want him to wear this pants, which is something really nice. Along with that, you can also upload hats as well as shoes or watches or shades, whatever it may be. If you want to know the full list of what you can upload, here it is. You can upload dress, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, skirts, and stuff like that. And also the images should be really simple. Don't try to upload any complicated images, because we all know we don't like complicated stuff. We like simple things, and this is something that we are doing here. We are uploading simple images right here. Once you are done selecting all your products, we'll click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, we will have to select our model. So for that, I'll just click on the My Models button, and here I have created some of the models that as you can see here, these are the models that I have created. We have Ash here, we have Ahmed, Arthur, and the list goes on. For this video, I will select Arthur, but if you don't have any models created, then you can also go to model library. Here we have a list of all the beautiful models that you can choose from. We have women as well as man, AI models that you can choose from. Your creativity is the limit here, not the creativity. If you want to create a model, that's where your creativity will come into picture. You'll just click on the create an AI model, and then you can just go ahead and create your very own AI model. You have to prompt it out. I have explained in my previous video, but for this video, I will choose Arthur here. I'll just click on Arthur, and I'll choose the variation of Arthur that I have created previously. And I will choose this version of Arthur. He looks really happy and he looks really nice. So I'll click on select this model, and then I'll click on the next button. Here you can describe your model and setting. This is an optional feature. For example, as you can see, it says female model with brown hair standing confidently in the bright studio. If you want to know more, you can click on the prompt tips, and also copy pre-made prompts that we have made for you. Just copy and paste it over there, and it's going to work pretty well for you. Next, we'll have to select the quality of the images that we want. For the best quality possible, choose 4K, but 2K works great as well. But if you're really serious about your business, 4K is your best friend. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. Number of images, I am selecting 4 because I need 4 unique variations. I need more options to choose from. And then for aspect ratio, I'll choose 3:4. If you want, you can choose others as well. Finally, click on the generate button. Now this will take around 30 to 40 seconds depending on your images. It says 3 minutes, but it's not. So I won't keep you guys waiting for 30 seconds. I'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, the images are generated successfully. You can just take a look at it. Arthur looks really nice in this simple t-shirt along with the pants. He looks really nice. He looks really happy. All the images turned out to be really good. Now what you can do is just you can download these images by just clicking on the download button and just get downloaded to your computer. But if you want, you can also refine this image by clicking on this button. Here you can go ahead and choose all the features like it says, or maybe you can describe what you want to change. You know, like make the background warmer, enhance the color, remove background distractions. Your creativity is the limit here. Just you hit go and it will just do the thing. But for me, I'm really happy with it. Now, once we have generated our images, like final images with our clothes on our model, what I will do towards the left, you can see it says AI fashion video, so we will click on it. Now what we are going to be doing is here we'll have to choose the front photo as well as the back photo. Back photo is optional. If you want your model to rotate and stuff like that, that's when your back photo will be useful. But for me, as I have a front photo, I'll just go ahead and choose my model right here. Once you're done with that, we'll click on next. And now you will have to choose between female and male. Now, as we are having a male model, we'll click on male, and then we can just choose the kind of AI video that we want to create. For example, you have catwalk, side reveal, or walk out. So for this video, let's choose side reveal and click on the next button. Here you can just go ahead and choose the background. If you want, you can just keep it same as the input model, or if you want, you can also choose clean professional look. So I'll choose white studio for this video. And for aspect ratio, if you want to be horizontal, you can do that, or vertical. For this video, I'll choose vertical and click on the generate button. Now this will take around, it says 1.5 minutes, but I believe it takes around like same as 40 to 50 seconds, I guess. I haven't checked it, but it doesn't take around 1.5 minutes. So I'll just resume the video once the video generation is completed and is ready for our website or our store. Alright guys, so as you can see, our video has been generated successfully. If we just click on the enlarge button, you can see the video is generated. Amazing. Just the quality of the video looks really nice. As you can see right here, you can just go ahead and use it onto your website, or if you want, you can also share it directly from here. But by any chance you are not happy with the video by any chance, then you can go ahead and click on the try again button. It'll just regenerate the whole video for you. But for me, I'm really happy with the kind of video that is generated here. Arthur looks really real, and also the video looks pretty darn high quality. You can just go ahead and download it and use it in your website and stuff like that. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create AI fashion video for your clothing store or your clothing brand. If there's any doubt that you face, just let me know in the comment box down below. And if you have any suggestions about new feature requests or anything else, just please let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you. And also, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please consider liking. That's pretty much it. This is your Victor from Wearview signing out, and have a great day.